Hello dear friends, and once again I welcome all of you in the series of Basic English Grammar. Today we are going to talk about past perfect continuous tense, the fourth factor of past tense. So without taking much time, let us start our today's topic. Now for what purpose past perfect continuous tense it is used? The purpose, the use we have written here, and it is used to show an action which was started in the past and continued up in the past. Once again, it is used to show an action which was started somewhere in the past and continued up in the past. भूतकाळात सुरू एक क्रिया भूतकाळामध्येच सुरू होती, एका विशिष्ट मर्यादेपर्यंत किंवा वेळेपर्यंत सुरू होती असे सांगण्यासाठी या काळाचा वापर केला जातो. So let us check out what is the common formula of past perfect continuous tense. The formula is subject plus had plus been plus main verb with ing plus object and plus complement. Once again, subject plus had plus been plus main verb ing plus object and plus complement. And now without taking much time, let us talk about the formula which we have sorted in three different columns by using 10 different subjects. Once again, first person singular as well as plural, second person singular and plural, and third person singular as well as the plural case of the subjects. What is the formula for first person singular I and for first person plural we? The formula is I oblique we plus had plus been plus main verb with ing plus object. And the examples we have kept ready here, that is I had been teaching English and we had been teaching English, isn't it? प्रथम पुरुषी एक वचनी आणि अनेक वचनी कर्त्यांचा जर विचार केला तर या दोन कर्त्यांसाठी फॉर्म्युला आपण या ठिकाणी दिला आहे, दॅट इज आय ऑब्लिक वी प्लस हॅड प्लस बीन प्लस मेन वर्ब आयएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. अँड एक्झाम्पल्स आपल्या समोर आहेत. I had been teaching English and we had been teaching English. Now let us talk about the second person singular and the plural case. We know it, second person singular and plural for both purposes. You, that is the common pronoun, it is used, and therefore for the second person singular you and second person plural you plus had plus been plus main verb with ing plus object. द्वितीय पुरुषी एक वचनी यू साठी आणि अनेक वचनी साठी देखील फॉर्म्युला तोच आहे, फक्त सब्जेक्ट बदलणार. यू फॉर सिंग्युलर, यू अगेन फॉर प्लुरल प्लस हॅड प्लस बीन मेन वर्ब विथ ing and plus object. And examples are you had been teaching English and you had been teaching English. द्वितीय पुरुषी एक वचनी आणि अनेक वचनीसाठी फॉर्म्युला देखील तोच आणि एक्झाम्पल देखील सेम. हार्डली सब्जेक्ट वी हॅव टू चेंज. यू हॅड बीन टीचिंग इंग्लिश and you had been teaching English. Now let us talk about third person singular and the plural cases, isn't it? We know it, he, she and it, they are known as third person singular subjects. Therefore he oblique she oblique it oblique they plus had plus been plus main verb with ing and plus object. Examples we have written here, and they are he had been teaching English, she had been teaching English, it had been teaching English, and they had been teaching English. Yes, for the naming word or third person singular naming words like Rahul and Radha, formula will remain as it is, that is Rahul had been teaching English and Radha had been teaching English. Once again, now the complement, the case of complement in past perfect continuous tense. Yes, since and for, these are the two words they are used, yes, as complement in such sentences. But when and where we have to use since as well as for, let us check out with the minor clue. In case of, if you want to show the proper time or the proper year of your action, that time we have to use since. Isn't it? एखादं प्रॉपर वर्ष किंवा एखादी प्रॉपर असणारी वेळ जर तुम्हाला माहिती असेल आणि ती जर तुम्हाला वापरायची असेल तर त्यावेळेस आपण वापरणार since. उदाहरणार्थ, or for example, I had been teaching English since 2010. परत एकदा, I had been teaching English since 2010. And in case of for, isn't it? The proper collection of years or the proper period of time, if you want to mention in your sentence, that time we have to use for. For example, we have been teaching English for 10 years. Isn't it? We have been teaching English for 10 years. Once again, to show the proper time or proper year, we have to use since as a complement. And if you don't know the proper time and the year, yes, to show the period of time, that time for that purpose we have to apply for as a complement in past perfect continuous tense. Isn't it? Once again, let's try to recollect what we have discussed and seen in this today's video. Today we were talking about past perfect continuous tense, an action which was started in the past, which was continuously going on, yes, in the particular time of the past. To show that action, to count that action, past perfect continuous tense, it is used. Formula, it is in front of us, subject plus had plus been plus main verb ing plus object and plus complement. And the examples, as we have mentioned, as we have written, I had been teaching English since 2010, or I had been teaching English for 10 years. I hope through this video you might have understood what is past perfect continuous tense and how it is used in English language. Thank you and have a nice day.